Hello friends, in this video, I'll be making organic fertilizer for vegetable plants. Organic fertilizer is decomposed plant residues, animal manure, or other organic waste, solid or liquid, that has undergone a composting, fermentation process. This fertilizer improves the physical, chemical, and biological structure of the soil, increases microbial activity, and sustainably fertilizes the soil. Number 1. The combination of coffee grounds and coca peat is an excellent mixture for organic fertilizer and planting media. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, around 2.28%, potassium, and magnesium, and have antimicrobial properties that can reduce fungus. Meanwhile, coca peat, coconut fiber powder, acts as an excellent water binder, 6-8 times its dry weight, and improves soil aeration. Guide to combining coffee grounds and coca peat as organic fertilizer. Benefits of the combination: nutrient-rich. Coffee grounds provide macronutrients, N, P, K, water retention and aeration. Coca peat maintains soil moisture, preventing rapid drying, while also preventing compaction. Environmentally friendly. Recycles household, cafe waste into valuable organic material. Pest protection. Coffee grounds can help repel pests such as snails and slugs. How to make a mixed organic fertilizer. Coffee grounds should not be applied directly to plants in large quantities. The best method is to compost them or mix them with coca peat. Preparation. Dry the coffee grounds first. They should turn reddish and not clump together, to prevent mold growth. Mixture ratio. Use the recommended mix. Generally, coffee grounds should only make up about 10 to 20% of the total growing medium to avoid excessive drying. Number 2. Coffee grounds and eggshells are an excellent combination of household waste for gardening as liquid organic fertilizer, POC, or solid compost. Coffee grounds provide nitrogen, while eggshells are rich in calcium and help regulate soil acidity, improve soil structure, and nourish plants, especially during the growing phase. Coffee grounds can be combined with eggshells plus 8. Listen, coffee grounds and eggshells are an excellent household waste combination for gardening as liquid organic fertilizer, POC, or solid compost. Coffee provides nitrogen, while eggshells are rich in calcium and help regulate soil acidity, improve soil structure, and nourish plants, especially during the growing phase. Here's a guide to combining coffee grounds and eggshells. Dry mixed fertilizer. Mix 500 grams of coffee grounds, 100 grams of ground eggshells, and possibly banana peels. Then sprinkle around plants every 1 to 2 months. Compost. Coffee grounds provide micronutrients, while crushed eggshells will slowly decompose and increase calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC. Mix ground coffee grounds and eggshells in water. Ferment. You can add other organic materials and apply to the soil to increase the dry weight of plants. Natural pest repellent. Sprinkled around plants. This mixture can also help deter slugs and other soil-borne pests. Care. Make sure the eggshells are washed and dried, lightly baked, before crushing to prevent odor and bacteria. Number 3. The combination of wood charcoal and eggshells is an effective, inexpensive, and environmentally friendly organic fertilizer and soil conditioner. Charcoal improves soil structure, air retention, and microbial activity, while eggshells supply calcium, 3CaCO3, for roots and neutralize soil acidity. This mixture increases nutrient content, prevents fruit end rot, and acts as a natural pesticide. Combination of wood charcoal and eggshells for plants. Key benefits: soil improvement. Wood charcoal increases the soil's ability to retain water and nutrients, and improves soil aeration. Plant nutrition. Eggshells contain 95% calcium carbonate, which strengthens plant cell walls, supports root and leaf growth, and prevents fruit tip rot. pH regulator. Eggshells help neutralize overly acidic soil. Pest control. The sharp texture of crushed eggshells can help repel soft shell pests like slugs. Solid organic fertilizer application. As a base fertilizer, pre-fertilization, spread the solid organic fertilizer evenly over the bed or plot of land. Then hoe, plant plow to mix it thoroughly with the soil. This should be done 1 to 2 weeks before planting. Application in the planting hole. Transplanting. Add the organic fertilizer to the planting hole before planting the seedlings. This method is effective for vegetables and fruit plants. Application around the plant. Side dressing. Sprinkle the fertilizer around the plant, spreading it in a circle following the crown, the tips of the outer leaves. Then cover with soil. Application for perennial plants. Trees. Plant the fertilizer in a circular hole around the crown, canopy. Reduce the dosage as the fertilization frequency increases, e.g., once every 2 to 3 months, then every 6 months or once a year. The best time to apply solid organic fertilizer is 1 to 2 weeks before planting, as a base fertilizer, to allow nutrients to decompose, and during the active, vegetative, growth phase. Application is best done in the morning, before 10 a.m., or afternoon, after 3 p.m., when the weather is cool, the soil is moist, and avoid direct sunlight to prevent damage to microorganisms. The right time to apply organic compost. As a base, before planting, apply 1 to 2 weeks before planting to improve soil structure and ensure nutrients are readily absorbed by roots. Spring, fall. The best time for soil microorganisms to decompose compost. Vegetative and generative phase. Mix a small amount into the growing medium when plants require additional nutrients. The right time to apply liquid organic fertilizer, POC, morning or afternoon. 6 o'clock to 9 a.m. or 4 o'clock to 6 p.m. when the sun is not too hot to prevent rapid evaporation. After watering, rain. Moist soil conditions help nutrients absorb better. Vegetative phase. When the plant is actively producing leaves and stems. Once every 1 to 2 weeks. Generative phase. Flowers, fruit. When flowering begins to support fruit formation. Signs of fertile plants and healthy soil after applying organic fertilizer. 1. Physical changes in plants, characteristics of healthy plants. Greener and fresher leaf color. Leaves are bright, dark green, chlorophyll green, not dull, and appear shinier. New leaf growth. Shoots. Many new shoots appear. Young leaves are larger and thicker. Sturdier stems. Plant stems grow thicker and stronger, not limp or easily broken. Healthier roots. Roots grow thicker, wider, and stronger. Healthy roots absorb nutrients more effectively.